Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I welcome you all to my innovators presentation. During this assignment, I happened to study the organization, the Habitat for Humanity, which I codename as Building Affordable Homes for Poor Families. In terms of overview about this organization, the Habitat for Humanity is a non-profit organization co-founded by Millard and Linda Fuller. The initial concept of partnership building, working with volunteers to build decent, affordable houses. Houses were built with no add-on profit and with interest-free loans for families. Looking at the social issue and the social innovation about this specific project, the social issue at stake was that a lot more families could not afford to build decent homes on their own and living in dilapidated apartments, which often causes illness and all the unnecessary discomfort. Due to their poverty level, rent cost takes a lot from their monthly earnings. Therefore, Habitat for Humanity came up with a solution to partner with families and build decent homes for families working together with volunteers. Families were given the opportunity to become homeowners whilst paying on installment without any interest on money used for the construction, as well as less workmanship costs and without profit added on, and therefore making the home very affordable. In terms of the impact of the social innovation, well, the impacts were very clear. Children have a quiet place to study. Families no longer face illness and diseases brought on them by unhealthy housing. Parents experience the financial freedom that comes with having an affordable place to live. Families were also free from such physical and mental hardship and develop increased confidence and self-reliance. In terms of the social innovation struggles, successes, accomplishments, and failures, they initially struggled with funding. However, the organization did very well by establishing an online donation portal where people could contribute to support their programs. They also sought to invite corporate and foundations to participate in their programs and had philanthropy partners and had partnership with churches and established tithing partners with their US Habitat for Humanity International Office. They currently serving nearly 1,400 communities across the United States and approximately 70 countries and have helped 13 million people to have safe, decent, and affordable shelter across the world. Recommendation for improving the social innovation. Apart from the fact that they give financial education to these families to learn to pay back their loans, they could also teach them to open a special bank account where families could save towards their dream homes and rather contribute towards their dream homes and decrease their debt. They could also partner with local authorities to enable them secure affordable lands, which will further decrease the cost of the home. They could also establish a working relationship with suppliers of raw materials to have further discount to make the homes a little more affordable. Looking at recommendations for scaling this social innovation, I think instead of setting up their offices in various countries, they could identify like-minded NGOs, each from specific country, and then train them to understand their mission and working ethics and guide them to implement the same activities of building for poor families to own affordable and decent homes. Since owning a decent and affordable home is the interest of almost all poor families and government alike in every country, a collaboration with various governments could lead to securing funds to support this good cause. Ladies and gentlemen, these are my opinions on overall assignment that I was given to study on the Habitat for Humanity. I hope that my contributions are solid. If there is any recommendation or suggestion or comment, I welcome this from all of you, and I hope through you I'll be able to improve and make it better. Thank you.